In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get tables or databases side by side in Notion. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page, or opening the page where you want to place the tables. Once you're on the page, click into the empty area so your cursor is active. Now press Enter once to create a blank line at the top. This small step is important because it gives you a block you can use to help create columns later. If you skip this, it can be harder to position the tables correctly. Next, type /table. Notion will open its block menu with table options. Choose the table option you want to use. In most cases, this will be a simple table or a database table, depending on your needs. Once you click it, your first table will appear on the page. After that, create a second table the same way. Move below the first one, type /table again, and select Table. You should now see two tables stacked vertically, one under the other. At this point, notice the empty line near the top of the page that you created earlier. That blank block gives you a place to drag content into columns. Now hover over the first table until you see the 6-dot handle on the left side. Click and hold that handle, then drag the first table upward. As you move it near the blank line, watch for a blue vertical guide to appear. That blue indicator shows where Notion is about to place the block. Drop the table when the guide appears on one side of that blank area. Once that's done, do the same thing with the second table. Hover over it, grab the 6-dot handle, and drag it up next to the first table. Again, look for the blue guide. When you see Notion showing the second column position, release the table there. You should now see both tables side by side in two columns. If the table drops above or below instead of next to the other one, don't worry. That usually means the cursor wasn't in the right column position when you released it. Just drag it again a little more to the left or right until the blue vertical placement guide appears. Also keep in mind that wider databases can be harder to fit side by side. If that happens, try making your browser window wider, reducing visible properties in the database, or using smaller views so both columns fit more comfortably. And that's how you get tables or databases side by side in Notion.